Introducing the folding e-bike 750W, a powerful and compact electric bike designed for adults who crave adventure on both urban streets and mountain trails. Equipped with a 750W motor, this e-bike delivers a high level of performance and speed, ensuring a smooth ride on various terrains. The 48V13R waterproof lithium battery provides reliable power, allowing for longer rides without worrying about the weather, with fast charging capabilities to keep you on the move. This folding e-bike features 20-inch tires, offering excellent stability and grip on diverse surfaces, making it suitable for both city commuting and off-road adventures. The compact foldable design is perfect for portability and easy storage, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. With its lightweight aluminum frame, the bike is sturdy yet easy to carry, ideal for commuters, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Designed for versatility, the bike includes multiple riding modes, such as pure electric and pedal assist, giving you the freedom to choose how you ride. Its advanced braking system ensures safety on both steep inclines and flat roads. Perfect for adults looking for a powerful and convenient electric bike, the folding e-bike 750W is your go-to solution for performance, convenience, and style.